Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back. New and latest idea and latest designs like beautiful romper styles, little baby dress romper style, like different colors and styles like hoodie style and color combination ideas. Like different and latest ideas and styles, looks. Creating a crochet baby romper set that includes a romper with the hood is a wonderful project. Have a step-by-step guide to help you make this adorable outfit. Choose soft, baby-friendly yarn, cotton or yarn work well. Use the hook size. Recommended on your yarn level for cutting yarn, for weaving in ends. Optional for the waistband of the different romper style. Button or ribbon for that closer or decoration. So I hope you liked my video. Take care and bye bye. See you soon. I hope you like it. So see this video till the end. Take care. Hey guys.